Welcome, dear Homeopedia fans. Welcome to the exciting world of interior design, where old meets new in a captivating dance of style and elegance. In recent years, there's been a rising trend that's caught the eye of design enthusiasts everywhere: the seamless fusion of rustic charm with modern luxury. It's a trend that's not just about creating a space, it's about crafting an experience, a unique blend of warmth, sophistication, and undeniable style. Imagine walking into a room where aged, weathered elements effortlessly mingle with sleek, contemporary finishes. It's an aesthetic that sparks intrigue and appeals to a wide range of tastes. And that's exactly what we're here to explore together. Join us on this comprehensive journey as we delve into the art of harmonizing rustic charm with modern luxury interiors. We're peeling back the layers to uncover the techniques, benefits, and potential challenges associated with achieving this distinctive design fusion. Let's unlock the secrets behind creating spaces that not only look beautiful, but feel like home. Welcome to the harmonious world of rustic charm meets modern luxury. To kickstart your journey in harmonizing rustic charm with modern luxury, embrace the beauty of contrasts. This technique involves highlighting the differences between rustic and modern elements to create an eye-catching and dynamic space. Picture pairing rugged, weathered wood beams with sleek, transparent glass surfaces. Or imagine placing a vintage, distressed cabinet alongside a minimalist, contemporary sculpture. By juxtaposing these opposing styles, you add visual interest and depth to your interior design, making it truly captivating. Another key technique in achieving harmony between rustic and modern aesthetics is to blend materials seamlessly. This means experimenting with a diverse range of textures and finishes to bridge the gap between the two styles. Consider combining reclaimed wood with polished metals for a rustic yet sophisticated look. Or try integrating stone accents with glossy surfaces to add an element of luxury to rustic spaces. By mixing and matching materials, you create a rich sensory experience that elevates your interior design to new heights. Maintaining a sense of balance in your design is essential for achieving harmonization. Pay close attention to the scale and proportion of different elements within your space. For example, if you have large, imposing rustic furniture pieces, balance them out with sleek, minimalistic furnishings to prevent the room from feeling overwhelmed. By carefully considering scale and proportion, you ensure that each element in your design complements the others, resulting in a harmonious and visually pleasing environment. Texture plays a vital role in adding warmth and dimension to your space. To harmonize rustic charm with modern luxury, incorporate a variety of textures throughout your design. Think rough-hewn wood paired with plush upholstery, or smooth metals juxtaposed with tactile fabrics. By layering different textures, you create visual interest and tactile appeal, making your space feel more inviting and cozy. Selecting the right color palette is crucial for achieving harmony in your interior design. Choose colors that tie together rustic and modern elements seamlessly. Earthy tones like warm browns, soft neutrals, and muted greens provide a grounding base for your design, while pops of bold, contemporary colors add vibrancy and contrast. By harmonizing your color palette, you create a cohesive and unified look that ties the entire space together. One of the significant advantages of harmonizing rustic charm with modern luxury interiors is the creation of a timeless appeal. By blending the warmth and authenticity of rustic elements with the sophistication and elegance of modern luxury, you craft a design that transcends fleeting trends. This timeless quality ensures that your space remains stylish and relevant for years to come, making it a wise investment in the long run. Another pro of this design approach is the infusion of warmth and comfort into your living space. Rustic elements, such as aged wood, natural textures, and vintage-inspired accents, evoke a sense of coziness and nostalgia, making your home feel inviting and welcoming. Combined with the luxurious touches of modern design, such as plush fabrics, sleek finishes, and state-of-the-art amenities, you create a harmonious environment that balances comfort with sophistication. Harmonizing rustic charm with modern luxury allows for ample opportunities for personalization and self-expression. By curating a mix of rustic and modern elements that reflect your unique tastes and personality, you create a space that feels truly authentic and tailored to your preferences. Whether you showcase cherished heirlooms, curated collections, or hand-selected furnishings, you imbue your home with a sense of character and individuality that sets it apart from the rest. The juxtaposition of rustic charm with modern luxury creates visual interest and intrigue, captivating the eye and sparking conversation. The contrast between weathered textures and sleek surfaces, aged patinas and glossy finishes, adds depth and dimension to your interior design, making it visually compelling and dynamic. This visual richness not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also creates a stimulating environment that engages the senses. Incorporating rustic elements into modern interiors promotes sustainability and eco-consciousness, making it a pro for environmentally conscious homeowners. By repurposing reclaimed materials, salvaged wood, and vintage pieces, you reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact of your design choices. This sustainable approach not only contributes to a more eco-friendly home, but also adds a sense of authenticity and history to your space, enriching its overall appeal. One of the challenges of harmonizing rustic charm with modern luxury interiors is the risk of creating a cluttered or chaotic space. Balancing the contrasting styles and elements requires careful consideration and curation to avoid overwhelming the room with too many competing details. Without thoughtful planning, the blend of rustic and modern elements can appear disjointed or haphazard, detracting from the overall cohesion and harmony of the design. Achieving the perfect balance between rustic charm and modern luxury can be costly, as it often requires investing in high-quality materials, furnishings, and finishes. Rustic elements such as reclaimed wood, vintage pieces, and custom craftsmanship can come with a premium price tag, adding to the overall cost of the project. Similarly, modern luxury features like designer furniture, state-of-the-art appliances, and custom-built fixtures can contribute to the expense. As such, budget constraints may pose a challenge for homeowners looking to harmonize rustic charm with modern luxury within a limited budget. Some rustic materials, such as reclaimed wood, aged metals, and natural textiles, may require special maintenance to preserve their integrity and prevent deterioration over time. Without proper care and upkeep, these materials can lose their luster, develop signs of wear and tear, or become susceptible to damage from environmental factors. Incorporating rustic elements into modern interiors requires a commitment to regular maintenance and upkeep to ensure their longevity and aesthetic appeal. Ensuring cohesion and coherence in a space that combines rustic charm with modern luxury can be challenging, particularly for inexperienced designers. Achieving a harmonious balance between the two styles requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a keen eye for design principles. Without proper execution, the result may lack unity and flow, detracting from the overall impact and effectiveness of the interior design. Maintaining consistency in scale, proportion, color palette, and texture is essential to achieving a cohesive and visually appealing aesthetic. While the fusion of rustic charm and modern luxury can create a striking and distinctive look, it may not be suitable for every space or architectural style. The rustic modern luxury aesthetic tends to have a specific vibe and atmosphere that may not align with all preferences or design preferences. Additionally, the combination of rustic and modern elements may clash with certain architectural features or existing decor styles, limiting its versatility in certain contexts. As such, homeowners should carefully consider whether this design approach complements their overall vision and aesthetic preferences before implementing it in their space.